Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dadan Firmansyah, with NPM 23,411,076, from the Management 23X class. Today, I will be presenting on the subject of financial management with the title Capital Market. The capital market is a place or mechanism where individuals, companies, and governments can engage in investment activities and raise funds through various financial instruments. In the capital market, investors can buy or sell securities such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and other derivative instruments. The capital market acts as a bridge between those who have funds, investors, and those who need funds, issuers. Here are some key elements in the capital market. Capital market instruments. Stocks. Stocks are securities that indicate ownership of a person or legal entity in a company. Shareholders are entitled to a portion of the company's profits in the form of dividends and have voting rights in company decisions. Bonds. Bonds are debt securities issued by companies or governments to borrow funds from the public. Investors who buy bonds receive periodic interest payments and the return of principal at maturity. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that collect funds from the public to be invested in various portfolios by investment managers. Derivatives. Derivatives are financial instruments whose value depends on an underlying asset, such as stocks or commodities. Examples include options and futures contracts. Capital market participants. Investors. Individuals or institutions that purchase capital market instruments to make a profit. Issuers. Companies or entities that issue securities to raise funds from investors. Stock exchange. Institutions that provide facilities for the trading of securities. In Indonesia, the Indonesia Stock Exchange, IDX, is a place where stocks and other financial instruments are traded. Regulatory authority. In Indonesia, the capital market is supervised by the Financial Services Authority, OJK, which plays a role in maintaining stability and investor confidence. Functions of the capital market. Source of funding. Allows companies to obtain funds from investors to support business expansion or operations. Investment vehicle. Provides opportunities for individuals and institutions to invest, earn dividends, interest, or capital gains. Economic indicator. The performance of the capital market can serve as an indicator of a country's economic health. Wealth distribution. By providing investment access to the wider public, the capital market helps in the more equitable distribution of wealth. Types of capital market. Primary market. In this market, issuers offer securities to investors for the first time in a process called an initial public offering, IPO. Secondary market. After securities are issued in the primary market, they can be traded in the secondary market. The Indonesia Stock Exchange is an example of a secondary market. Capital market risks. Market risk. Changes in the price of securities influenced by economic and political conditions. Credit risk. The risk that the debtor cannot fulfill their obligations. Liquidity risk. Difficulty in selling securities due to an illiquid market. Operational risk. Risks related to system or process failures that affect capital market activities. With the capital market, funds from investors can be channeled into various sectors that need financing, thereby promoting faster economic growth.